is Thursday treating you, honey buns? Because Bolly B is back to give you all the biggest headlines that have been moving and shaking Bollywood. From Rhea Chakraborty exposing a troll for sending her rape and death threats, to Farhan Akhtar, security guard testing COVID positive, and B-Town stars sending Katrina Kaif some birthday cheer. Here's all you need to know. First things first, after a month of being on the receiving end of abuses, nasty comments, conspiracy theories and rumours, Rhea Chakraborty finally hit back and exposed a troll who sent her rape and death threats. Sharing a screenshot of the nasty message, she asked, "How does my silence give you the right to tell me that you will get me raped and murdered if I don't commit suicide, Manu Raut? Do you realize the seriousness of what you have said?" Slamming the troll, she further went on to report the threat to the cybercrime cell. Fans and well-wishers have applauded the actress for the bold move and have encouraged her to expose many others who've been harassing her during this tough time. In some more scary updates from Filmy Town, we hear that Farhan Akhtar's security guard has now tested positive for COVID-19. This update comes just days after neighbor Rekha's guard tested positive, following which 4 other cases were detected in the area, prompting the BMC to declare it as a containment zone. There is, however, no confirmation if Farhan got tested, but our bees are sure to bring you an update on this real soon. Hang in there, Farhan. We're sending you all the love and good juju. Meanwhile, in a hospital not too far away, Amitabh and son Abhishek Bachchan continue to receive treatment for the virus. As a precaution, all those who came in contact with the family are now being tested for the same, and everyone can catch a breather because there are no new cases. Among the many who underwent the test were workers at the dubbing studio, where Junior Bachchan was frequently visiting for work. We hear that as none have been found positive for the virus, it has helped the authorities conclude that the actor might not have contracted it from the studio. Well, that's one problem down and 999 to go. Desperate times call for desperate measures, so this bee is gonna try out every celeb recommended help tip and let you know which one was a hit and which one was a major miss. The latest one on our list is the oil pulling ritual followed by Anushka Sharma. Turns out it is a practice for dental health and it requires the least amount of work. Just the way we like it. Pearly whites, here we come. And we're rounding up our work for the day by raising our glasses to this gorgeous lady, Katrina Kaif, who's celebrating her birthday today. While she would have preferred to spend the day on an exotic beach far away from B-Town, fans and her B-Town buddies from Varun Dhawan to Anushka Sharma, Sonam Kapoor, Ali Abbas Zafar and many others sent in their love and raised her spirits. With the weather all dull and gloomy, we can only wonder if Vicky Kaushal will put all his military and secret agent training to good use and stop by today. While we fly over to help Kat celebrate her day, we'll make sure to pick up some juicy and filmy deets along the way.